How to fix CapCut could not load, try again later error. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If it is showing CapCut could not load while you are trying to open CapCut or the templates in CapCut, it could be because of the internet connection. So first thing first, you have to make sure you have a stable internet connection and also turn off any VPN if it is turned on. You can also try to switch between mobile data to check if the issue persists. Likewise, next on the list would be updating your app to the latest version. For this, tap on Play Store, go to search bar, search for CapCut. Once you do so, tap on Update button if available. This way, it can fix the latest problems and issues that are known. Third solution would be long pressing your CapCut application and going to App Info. After that, click on Permission List. From Permission List, make sure all the necessary permissions are given. Once that is allowed, you can go back to the previous page again. Now select on Storage and Cache and then clear the cache. After that, you can restart your device once and relaunch the application. This way, all the pages in CapCut should be accessible now. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.